Let's talk about groundbreaking work of Frederick Winslow Taylor in his time studies. Taylor's approach was part of his broader philosophy of scientific management, aiming to boost labor productivity and efficiency by scientifically analyzing and standardizing work processes. Let's break down the key components of Taylor's time studies, starting with scientific analysis. Taylor believed that work should be studied scientifically rather than relying on traditional methods or rule of thumb. He introduced the idea of breaking down tasks into smaller, discrete elements which could be analyzed separately to understand their contribution to the overall task. Taylor and his team used precise timing instruments like stopwatches to record the time taken for each element of a task. Multiple observations were conducted to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data. Based on the data collected, Taylor established standard times for each element of the task. These standard times were used to create benchmarks for worker performance, enabling the establishment of fair and achievable productivity standards. Taylor's studies often revealed inefficiencies and areas for improvement in work processes. He proposed changes to work methods, tool designs, and workplace layouts to optimize performance and reduce unnecessary movements and delays. Taylor emphasized the importance of training workers to perform tasks according to the standardized methods developed through time studies. He believed that scientific management required not only the establishment of standards, but also the education and cooperation of workers to achieve optimal results. Once standard times and optimized methods were established, Taylor advocated for continuous monitoring and adjustment to maintain efficiency. He introduced incentive systems to reward workers who met or exceeded the established performance standards. Taylor's time studies had a profound impact on industrial management and operations, leading to several significant developments. Firstly, increased productivity. Identifying and eliminating inefficiencies significantly increased worker productivity and output. Secondly, improved worker morale. Despite initial resistance, many workers benefited from standardized methods and training, leading to more consistent and manageable workloads. Thirdly, foundation for industrial engineering. Taylor's work laid the foundation for industrial engineering and influenced subsequent developments in operations management and process optimization. Criticisms and limitations of time studies. While Taylor's time studies revolutionized industrial management, they were not without criticisms. Number 1. Mechanical view of labor. Critics argued that Taylor's methods treated workers as mere cogs in a machine, neglecting the human and social aspects of work. Number 2. Resistance from workers. Initial resistance from workers was common, as they feared increased productivity expectations would lead to job cuts or increased workloads without corresponding pay increases. Number 3. Overemphasis on efficiency. Some critics believed that Taylor's focus on efficiency and productivity overshadowed other important factors, such as worker satisfaction and workplace safety. Legacy. Despite these criticisms, Frederick Winslow Taylor's time studies remain a cornerstone of modern industrial engineering and management practices. His emphasis on scientific analysis, standardization, and optimization continues to influence modern approaches to improving efficiency and productivity across various industries.